We just realized something. Taking videos and capturing special moments are something you cannot just redo. As we want to show you a part of our life through vlogging,
Why don't we step it up? Because we are an aspiring vloggers.
so this purchase is not something you regret getting since it's a camera.
Yeah, it slays.
We know that there's a lot of videos unboxing this camera from the internet, but we're still gonna do it.
Yeah, since it's our first time buying this expensive camera, at least for us, because we're not rich.
We're not rich guys, so it is a little expensive for us, you know?
Yeah.
But you can help us by subscribing to our channel and sharing our videos to social media. And this will help us expand our family, right?
And we're not doing this unboxing, guys, to brag, but to inspire you guys that you can also start vlogging.
So going back, presenting our new camera, which is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So once you open the box, you can see a white box on the side and the bag of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And there's a lot of manual stuff inside, as you can see. And it comes with a hard case.
Protector, guys, for the camera itself.
Yeah, I think it's a standard one that you can use for the camera because there's a lot of cases, and I think those cases are not that good for this camera because they say it will affect the gimbal itself, because this camera protects also the start button or the record button, and in which the other cases doesn't protect the record button, and so it will accidentally open or record the camera. And since it's on a protective case, the gimbal will not work but what will it wants to do, because it is covered, right? So it will damage your gimbal or the system. And next up is the battery. There's two batteries that comes with a box. So the first one is the long battery. So when you just bought the camera or the Osmo Pocket 3 itself, it comes with the small battery. And with this Osmo Pocket 3 Combo Edition, it comes with a tripod, which you can attach at the bottom of the camera to where you can use it as a stand.
Yes.
Where it is a stand because it's a tripod, right?
Yeah. And it comes with the lace so that when you use your camera, you can strap it in your
Wrist.
wrist.
So it's just strapped in your wrist so you don't drop it because it's fragile. Because it's so tiny and it's so fragile, guys. And also, with a combo edition, we got this microphone. And it comes with this, I think it's a muffler or something. Yeah, I think it's a muffler. It's a wind barrier where you can use if it's windy outside.
Noise cancellation.
No, it's not noise cancellation. But it's like that. It's like that. Yeah, you could say.
It has this clippers and this magnet. It has this magnet, guys, and a clipper that you can use to attach in your clothes like that, guys.
Yes. And especially the Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Which is what we are using right now. And for the last two items that comes with this combo edition, it has the Type-C charging cable, and it has a wide angle lens, which is a magnetic lens where you can just put it on the eye of the camera.
It's magnetic, guys.
So we're gonna show you a video of us trying the camera for the first time. So let's see. So again, testing. So now we are using this microphone. So check.
Hello, guys.
So
Is
how is it?
Loud and clear or whatever? Loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Check. So now we're just using the camera itself. So this is the lens. Wow, the focus is so good. Oh my god. You see it? Oh my days. So this is the wide lens. So there's 0.75x or 15 millimeters lens. So we're just gonna try it. So it's magnetic, so you're just gonna put it in, and then that's it. No.
See the difference?
See the difference? Okay, one more time. So you're just gonna remove it, and then shoot. Good. But how's the mic though? Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Is it good? All right, back to the video. So as you can see, guys, the quality is so different, guys, from our camera before, because before we are using GoPro 11, Hero 11.
12.
That's 11. It's 11.
No, it's 12.
So we are using before a GoPro 12, and I think it's a good camera, but it's, you know, we just want to step it up, and this camera is pretty popular right now, so we bought it. So this camera, guys, is so good with low light.
So this camera, guys, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, is a very good quality camera for a low light, guys, because it is more visible, guys.
Yeah, you can see the video clearly when you are using this Osmo camera in nighttime, because it just serves good. And we're gonna show you a video of us trying this camera in nighttime. So it's already what time is it? I think it's 9 p.m. So this is the testing of DJI Osmo. Oh, why am I wearing sunglasses? So as you can see, guys, this camera serves so good, and it can never get better, you know? Maybe if you get a proper camera. But this camera is good for vlogging, guys. It's a highly recommended one. And mind you, guys, that this camera is all over the internet right now, on TikTok, on YouTube, Facebook, and a lot of vloggers use this camera. And it's not a camera that is just popular, because it's just, you know, it's just good. And the reviews of this camera is, they're not lying, guys.
So this camera, guys, is popular for a reason.
And that's right. Look at this, guys. Look at this. The focus. See? Oh my god. So I think that's the end of our video.
So don't forget to support us, guys, by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And comment, guys, for your suggestion to our next vlog.
Yeah, we need more suggestion, guys. Doing daily vlogs, maybe?
Yeah, to try this camera.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. Peace.